Welcome to Odyssey, your all-in-one pilot time-building experience right here in Erie, Colorado. We know what you're after, hours in the sky, so we've built a program that gives you just that and more. Company-owned aircraft, full-time maintenance, on-site lodging, all covered in one straightforward hourly rate. That means fuel, oil, partner and aircraft scheduling, no hidden fees, no surprises. With Odyssey, your journey is streamlined, safe, and full of airtime. This is Odyssey.